Hey guys, and welcome to a brand new, beautiful video. And today I am back on the Fortnite Battle Royale. But this time it's different, as you can see. High explosives. I did not know this was a thing until I just entered the game a few minutes ago to record this. So, in lobby, I am a beautiful person, and so are my friends. Hello my friends, how we... Oh, I swear to God, one of them just disappeared. Oh well, we'll play on. Now, I want before... No! I want to find me a gun. Last time it cut me out before I found a gun. Come on. Come on, loading lobby, please. Give me a gun. No. Oh, no. I want a gun. No. But look at this Santa, though. Jeez, chill out. Look at the size of him. He's humongous. He's our balloon. He's the thing that's keeping us from falling to earth and dying, I'm guessing. But... You know, who knows, maybe you guys will give me some good luck. I doubt it, but maybe. Oh, sir! Can you not go in my house, please? Right, I'll go on this one. Jesus, so rude. Right, I'm in. Stop. Oh, I've got a rocket launcher! Oh, it's high explosives in it. Yeah, I forgot about that. Hello, sirs, where are you? Oh, come get them. Fuck you! Fuck you! Right, we got him. What's in here? Nothing. Oh, I've only got one rocket launcher and bullet left, but a man holding a massive rocket launcher should scare a few people off, I would think. Oh, big mistake. Ah! Oh, revive me! Ah! Ah! Bastard. Okie dokie then, next game. So that one was a failure, but this time I have a good feeling. A beautiful Santa balloon. The door will open. Right, we're going to jump out. And this time I'm not going to go for a populated area. We're going to go for, you see that, well it might be populated when I get down there, but we're going to go for that lake. So jump out! And we're going to head for the lake. I'm going to get right to the ground. We're going to parachute over to the lake. Yes! It's beautiful. I want to get in. Will I be on the top of this pumpkin? Or not then? Alright, mine! Mine. Come on, get me in. Get me in! Get me in! I'm in. Is there not anything in here? Come on, you gotta be joking me. There's surely something in here. Please. Please, sir. I'm gonna... Ah! There's somebody there! I need a gun. Jump out the window! Oh, what's this? What the hell is this? It looks like a Hoover. Those mini Hoovers you use to clean tables. Have we got materials here? Oh, I best get some wood. You can never go wrong with a bit of wood, can you? I mean, who doesn't want a bit of wood? I mean, we've got ourselves a little Hoover to attack people with. So, what could go wrong? I mean, Hoover should keep us safe, I'm guessing. My friend who just fired a rocket launcher. I'm not sure if it was. Oh, lag. No, that's it. It's lagging a tiny bit. What? My internet should be fine. Throw it in the air over there. I'll attack people. Oh! There's lots of Hoovers. I got so many Hoovers right now. But since people dropped like 3 Hoovers, I'm guessing they're not the best thing in the world. The lag seemed to have stopped. It's lucky that. Oh, guys, we're outside the bubble. We'll die, you idiots. Well, it's probably a smart idea staying there for now, but... Ah! Oh, Hoover! Hoovering! You're joking me. I hoovered him like 9 times. What do you mean? Oh, my life. I hoovered him like 9 times. Did you guys see that? Did you see that? I hoovered him a good, like, 9 times, surely. A Hoover's not a good thing. Because I swear to God. That is it for this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.